Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do the knockout text effect right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. So once you've got Premiere open and you're ready to begin, we first need to start by creating a brand new text layer. So we'll go up to File, New, Legacy Title, we'll press OK on this window, and we'll just go ahead and create some new text. So I'm going to create some text and then I'm going to go ahead and change the fill color from white to black. And then just below fill is background, so I'm going to turn the background on and I'm going to change the color of the background from black to any color that I fancy. So in this example, I'm going to choose orange, and we'll drag that text layer onto video layer 2. Now from here we'll find some footage and we'll throw our footage onto video layer 1. So the video should be underneath our text. Now from here we want to go ahead and we want to crop this text layer. So we'll go over to Effects and search for Crop. We'll drag crop over onto the title. And then we'll just increase the crop on the left by 26%. And then we'll copy that number and we'll add the same number to the right. So we'll crop the right by 26% as well. We'll go to the top and we'll increase the crop to around 32%. Again, we'll copy this value, add this to the bottom, so we'll crop the bottom by 32%. And then of course from here you can scale this to wherever you want, you can position this, you can move this wherever you want. But from here, to add the knockout text effect, we need to do one last thing, and that is we need to remove the black. So we'll go back into Effects and we'll search for Key. Now we'll drop Color Key onto Title 8, or your title layer. We'll go to Key Color in Color Key, and we use the eyedropper tool to select the black within the text. And as you can see, instantly that disappears, but if we needed to clean this up for whatever reason, then we can just increase the color tolerance, the edge thin, and we can add some edge feather if we wanted. But there you go, it's really simple, it's really easy, and that is how you do the knockout text effect right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. And there you go. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in that comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe, check out the previous video, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. Thank you for watching.